So today I'm going to talk about a term called the self-serving bias. So what does this bias mean? The key word in this definition I'm about to give you is self-esteem. This usually occurs when you feel really good about something, which leads to high self-esteem, and vice versa. If you feel really bad about something, it leads to low self-esteem. So we tend to focus more on our successes than our failures. And unfortunately for our failures, we tend to blame others, whether it's an object, a person, whatever that is external, we tend to blame. If we keep continuously doing this, we are actually traumatizing ourselves and we're avoiding the real problem. We're not facing our failures, we're not taking responsibility, we're not owning up to our failures. So of course, you're gonna be biased and staying positive and focusing on your successes instead of your failures. So it's very important to focus on both. So I hope you like this video. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.